Welcome to Saxon Math Course 2. Today we're doing Lesson 12, Problems about Comparing and Elapsed Time Problems. Our objectives for today: after this lesson you should be able to solve word problems about comparing and write word problems about comparing, and also solve word problems about elapsed time and write elapsed time word problems. Some review from last time. We talked about combining word problems, which follow the sum plus some more equals total pattern. We talked about separating word problems, where we had the beginning amount minus the sum went away or spent equals what remains pattern. So first we're going to talk about problems about comparing. These problems follow a greater minus lesser equals difference pattern. So we'll show it with variables here, our letters. And if the greater number is missing, so that's this first number, you're going to solve by adding. If the lesser or the difference numbers are missing in your problem, you're going to solve by subtracting the other two numbers you're given. So here's an example. During the day, 1,320 employees work at the toy factory. At night, 897 employees work there. How many more employees work at the factory during the day than at night? So we fit that into our pattern. 1320 is our greater number, 897 is our lesser number. We're looking for the difference, so we subtract. And there is the answer for that one. Elapsed time word problems follow a later date minus earlier date equals the difference pattern. So here's an example of that with variables L minus E equals D. If the later date, the first number, is missing, you solve by addition. If the second or third, the earlier or difference, is missing, you solve by subtraction. And you have to remember, when we talk about an earlier date, that E will be the date that's farthest away from our current year, 2018. So how many years were there from 1492 to 1776? We set it up so that our later year minus our earlier year is our difference. Since we're missing that difference, we subtract, and there you find the difference. That's all for today's lesson. Make sure you do your practice problems, put any questions on the video discussion section, and we'll talk about them next time in class. We'll see you in lesson 13.